Hi, welcome to Tech Tuesday. I am so excited to share with you just a quick little tech hack in case you need some help sharing a Facebook post. So before we get started, I'm just going to quickly introduce myself. My name is Joanne. I am co-founder of the Two Virtual Savvy Sisters, and we are here to help you grow and manage your business. So how do you share a Facebook post? This is a question that we get asked when somebody is starting out freshly on the online business. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly show you how to do that. There's two different ways, and I hope that this helps you in any way. So the first way that you can share a post is you can go ahead and you're gonna go onto your Facebook page. And so we're on our Two Virtual Savvy Sisters Facebook business page. And then we're gonna find a post. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab this post. I'm gonna click on it. And what you can do is there are two ways that you can share this. The first way is you can go ahead and you can grab the URL, click copy, and then when you go to a post, so if you want to share it within another Facebook group, what you can do is you're going to copy and then you're going to paste the link into the Facebook group. You can add it into your emails. You can add it into the comment section of group posts. So once you copy and paste that URL, what's going to happen is a little preview of the picture will pop up, and then people can click on that and it'll instantly bring them to this specific post. The second way that you can share this is you can go down to here where you can like, comment, or share, and you can click share. And the options that it's going to give you, so if you want to post as your business page, you can share to a group or you can share to another page. However, you can also share as yourself. So what you'll do is you'll go ahead and you'll click this. You're going to click your personal name. So it's sharing as your personal profile. And then you can click share again and you'll get more options. So you can click share now, which will just share instantly. You can share to your newsfeed. So if you would like to add some more text to it, you can go ahead and click that. If you want to share it to your Facebook story, you'll just click that one. To share to a group, you're going to click share to a group. You'll type in the group name and then you can share. If you want to share to a business page, you will do the exact same thing. You're going to click share to a page and then type in the page name that you'd like to share it to, or you can share it on a friend's profile. So it is that simple. Don't overcomplicate it and go ahead and share your stuff.